What's up guys, Roger Valdez here with Top Results Consulting, coming to you with this video today in regards to a really cool keyword research tool. It's called Keywords Everywhere. This tool is used internally here at Top Results Consulting to help our clients find really valuable keywords for their blogs and keyword pages. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do to install this tool is go to keywordseverywhere.com. Once you're here, you want to install the Chrome extension. I'm assuming that you're already on Chrome. So you're going to go ahead and click this button here. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and click the blue button that's going to say install. As you can see, for me, it says remove because I already have this tool installed. But once you click it, you will notice that you'll get this icon on the top right of a K. Once that is there, what you want to do is go get your API key to make this tool work. What you want to do is go back to the Keywords Everywhere website and click Get API Key. Here, you'll be redirected to a page where you have to enter your email, then you'll check these boxes and then request the email. You'll then get an email in your inbox that looks something like this. All you have to do is click this first link and it will redirect you to a place where you're going to get your API key. This is what that looks like. What you want to do from here is click the copy API key here. When you have that, your next step is to go up to the actual tool here in the Chrome browser and click that. From here, you're going to go down to the settings. You'll be redirected to a place where you can enter your API key. As you can see, I've already entered mine, and then all you have to do is click validate. Once you see this little message, the API key is validated, then you can start utilizing this tool. How do you use this tool? All you have to do is go ahead and open a Google search and type in any keyword you like. For example, if you were a real estate investor and you were in San Diego, California, you might be looking for something like this. When you run that particular search, what's going to happen with Keywords Everywhere, not only is it going to give you the results, everything here of the top ranking websites, but you are going to get these sidebar widgets with related keywords, and people also ask for keywords, which are golden when it comes to creating blog posts or keyword pages. So hopefully this is helpful, guys. I look forward to seeing you guys use this tool at a very high level to go ahead and drive more traffic to your websites. Thank you.